Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Siti Nur Aziza. Now I will show you how to make Sago Jepa.
The ingredients there are grated coconut, sago, and salt to taste. And there are water. How to make? First, prepare a container to be used. Second, put sago, grated coconut, and salt to taste into the container. Then, stir until well blended. Four, add enough water to the sago mixture and stir again until well blended. After that, prepare a frying pan over medium heat. 6. Put the sago mixture into the sago dal is pressed until blended and shaped to a width. Then let's stand a few seconds to dry. Next, turn the sago dal and press it again. And turn it over again. And fold it over the pan. 8. Remove and then serve the Jepa Sago on a plate. Finally, Jepa Sago is ready to be enjoyed. I think that's enough. Thank you very much and good luck.